Hi, I'm Barrett Sims. I'm an ultramarathoner, extreme hunter, and adventure guide. I'm also America's toughest property manager. My tenants can be pretty tough on their appliances. That's why I'm going to Louisville, Kentucky to see how Hotpoint has proven that they're America's hardest working appliances. Laundry units are a real pain for me as a property manager. I never know what tenants are going to put in those washers and dryers and how much wear and tear they're going to take. I've seen it all. Today I'm going to meet Hotpoint expert Quentin, who's going to show me how Hotpoint tests their laundry units to be the toughest. Quentin?
Barrett, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Appliance Park. We are in the test lab for our laundry, so you get to see it all right here today.
Anxious to see what you've got.
This is our Hotpoint top-load washing machine. Every day we've got these machines in our labs running through our reliability test to make sure that these are going to last 2 times what we predict the life would even be.
That's great. I would argue that the best way to test them would be to put them in a rental house. So many property managers avoid putting them in there just because they take that kind of abuse.
This will survive a rental house.
What do you put in there? And the foreign objects too, the things that are going to come out of pockets, and the teenager that crams in 3 loads into one, or whatever the case may be. How do you simulate that?
We actually test with bigger weights, heavier weights that are going to be unbalanced. They're going to be bigger than what you would ever see in a normal load. This is what we test with for 20 years of life.
That looks like it would absolutely wreck it.
Well, let's test
Especially
it.
over and over and over.
No.
So just
Won't
throw
do
it
it.
in there.
All yours.
Throw it in?
Do it.
I want to see it.
All right. And one of the things that we make sure of when we're done is we take the machine that's been through 20 years of life and then we run like a normal wash through to make sure that it still works.
Still works.
It works just like it did the day it came out.
Quentin, thank you.
My pleasure.
This is what I wanted to see. I'm more confident than ever that this can actually withstand years and years of tenants, and that's asking a lot, but I'm confident.
I think you'll be happy.
Fantastic. Hotpoint tested, Barrett approved. Hotpoint, America's hardest working appliances.